Stamperia's Roses and Lace is a beautiful paper pack. There are 10 sheets. They are all double-sided. And you can see the colors that are used. Basically, this is roses, a little bit of lace, and wood all combined. Let me show you. Here is our first sheet, and you can see the lace and the wood and text. Isn't this just beautiful? I would never have thought of having roses overlaying the wood, but it's a beautiful combination. Here is the back side of that, more of the washed wood and more of the roses in a smaller scale. So beautiful, very distressed looking. Here we have another with the lace and wood. And then the roses bringing in some bird cages, just quite lovely. Beautiful for scrapbooking, perfect for card making. And there's the back side of that. Each of these is a treasure. Now this sheet begins some of the cutouts. It's the first of the cutouts that I remember with borders, and plus these large pieces and some circles also. On the back side is an all-over pattern, again, the wood and the text. More cutouts, just beautifully done. And we've got more wood and lace, a beautiful combination, and more right there. Now here we've got the lace with that bird cage that's flowing through the artwork. Here is another, just beautiful. And this is quite a combination. Now, I suppose you could use this as a background, but boy, I'd want to cut these out. In total, there are 71 cutouts in this paper pad. That's quite a bit. The back side of it is this beautiful paper, so nothing goes to waste, and that's one of the things we love about Stamperia. There's some burlap, and then all of these are also part of that 71 collection of cutouts. Beautiful tags and a printed pattern on the back. Here's our last sheet, more of the wood and the lace. All of this in Roses and Lace by Stamperia, 12 by 12 papers.